Where do you think I'm going? The door. That I don't think you should open. He's gonna try. He's gonna try.
There's not a lock on this stuff.
I think it's rusted. And not only that, on the other side of it, if you look down there, oh no, I guess that's a reflection. I thought it was a pit.
Careful for the hole.
That's a pit.
Well, there's a pit down there. Don't step in that.
Yeah.
And that is how you bring your ankle again. How about not included? Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go look at the guns, huh?
Yeah, let's go look at that. Totally. That was enough time for me to dry out. Except for my feet. I do not like what I don't like about hoods is that they drip off in your feet. Don't have to worry about that.
Oh, there it is. It's down there. There's the gun.
I don't think you're supposed to go on that side. Why not?
There's nothing really to stop you. That's just to say, hey, if you fall, it's your own problem because you went on the other side of the fence.
There's like a little hold on, kind of.
There's the mouth of the Columbia.
Position, it looks like they have a gun right in there. Taking it out that way.
Yeah, they had two great big guns down in here.
And a water bottle.
And now there's a water bottle down there. Yeah.
I'm too short still.
And then there's one that we got from, I think it came from Canada, because they had the same ones in Canada.
If they work, right?
I think it says over there. No, it's all plugged. Got a big plug on it.
Gotta get my brother-in-law here. He knows how to get those plugs out.
That's true. Probably could redo it. It said it only had 23% battery left, so it's still blinking. So we might have a little.
There's a ladder that goes down right in there.
YouTube channel. Yeah, that's probably an ammo protection point or something, or I don't know.
Maybe it was just a means of escape or ventilation.
Well, there's ventilation up there, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is where they have it sealed.
Yeah, I think those were probably ammo, where they kept the ammunition.
He's got a gun right here. He probably pulled games in here. He probably had a route that was going underground with you, so you're running
Yeah, Newfoundland, Canada is where this gun came from.
We went there, we're not the military. I'm gonna ask him.
Why did they have to weld it shut?
They welded it shut, yeah. So you can't play with it and smash your fingers.
And shoot.
See those big trams that they had to pull those around? Those things didn't carry that many. How big this one is now? They meant to take out ships and other things.
That was a big one. I wouldn't want to be in this thing if it got hit. Woo! That's a big concrete. Yeah, they're usually there'd be a stool or something for them to sit on.
Now I would be the spotter though, because I don't have this. I probably
This is probably what they used to connect things to adjust the
Alright, let's go check out the rest of it. I think this is World War I bunkers here. They're smaller. Oh, they got two of them. There's another one over here, guys.
Yo! Another one! So these are the ones you can go on?
Everybody getting cold yet? That wind is cold.
Run, girls, run! Huh, you should have took out this area, huh?
Is that just going back into the bunker again?
I wonder if they pulled some rounds in here when they were.
Staging them?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
No!
Those are some big heavy doors there. But you...
Going in here, they'll probably.
Yeah, this is where the little rapid fire guns were at.
Huh.
3-inch machine guns.
Yep, there's so much rain it locked me out of my phone.
Or no, I guess it's 3-inch guns. They're not machine guns. Pretty cool. The rain locked you out of your phone?
Yep.
That sounds like a personal problem. Ooh. Hello in here. Whew, smells musty.
Sorry.
Yeah, it doesn't walk all the way through like the other one did. This is kind of cool. There's a little bridge right here. Oh, and there's some stairs right here that they haven't cleaned up.
Oh yeah, they haven't cleaned the stairs.
There's a fence over there. Cold.